Hi my angels, welcome back to my session. This is Anamika here and today I'm back with another Pride makeup series and this is the day 2. You have already watched my previous video. If you haven't, you can watch it later, like after finishing this video. That was the red smoky eyes and today I'm here with this orange cut crease makeup look for the day 2. I don't know why did I do that, like 2. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and even subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. And today this color is what I have gone for. Like I am definitely going with the color theme of rainbow, like red, orange, yellow, you know what it is. Like even this is there in the Pride flag, so I'm doing that, and even I'll be doing one multicolor look, the colorful one at the end. So it's going to be 7+1 and this is the second video. I hope you guys are so far enjoying this series. If you do, let me know in the comment section below. So yes, without wasting much time, now let's get into this tutorial. So guys, I'm done with my base and my brows. Now moving on to the eyeshadow, and for the first eyeshadow palette I'm going with Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I'm going with this burnt orangish brown shade, and I'll be running this color on my crease area. And I'll keep depositing the color and run the brush back and forth till I'm happy with the color payoff. Now I'm happy with the color payoff. Moving on to this orange shade from Makeup Revolution Temi X Tropical Carnival palette, and I'm going with this on the socket of my crease again and will blend this out till I'm happy with the payoff. Now I'm going to run an empty brush on the edges so it's nicely blended. So now it's time to cut the crease, and I'm taking Maybelline concealer. Now from the same Wet n Wild palette, I'm going with this ivory shade and I'm going to apply this where I have cut the crease. After the cut crease, going back to that orange color again and we'll apply this on the outer V. Even I'll be going with the same orange on my inner tear duct. And now we are going to dust off all the excess powder from my face. It was just to hold the fallouts from the eyeshadow. So now let's dust this away. Now I'm going with this shimmery shade again from the Wet n Wild palette and will apply this on the eyebrow bones. So now it's time for the glitter liner on the cut crease, and this is the Miss Claire Pearl glitter liner in the shade 16. So after the kajal, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line with the same orange shade. To smoke it out a little more further, I'm going with this brown shade. So guys, this was the orange cut crease eye makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please share it with your friends and family. If you haven't watched my previous red smoky eye makeup look, you can just check out this eye right here. You'll find that video there, and even don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit the bell button. Even you can follow me on all my social media handles, especially on Instagram, because I'm doing 100 days of makeup challenge over there. So you're going to see a lot of amazing eye makeup looks and many more. So do check it out and follow me over there. So that's it for this video. We'll see you tomorrow again with a new makeup look. And yes, I'm doing one video per day because it's Pride makeup series, and why not? So yes, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.